Hello, this is Scott Grogan, Director of Field Training for Market America, and this is the NUOT Franchise Owner Training, Part 3. Step 2 in our MPCP is to create business volume and internet business volume. BV, or business volume, is the point value assigned to our exclusive branded products. Internet business volume, or IBV, is the point value assigned to our partner store products. And we have over 3,000 partner stores that have over 40 million products. Pretty much anything you could ever dream of needing or wanting, you can get through your shop.com site and get either BV or IBV and potentially retail profit on those items, and definitely cash back as well. There are many ways to create BV and IBV. Obviously, personal use in shopping is going to be a major source of it, and that's how you're going to generate your own testimonial about our products and the shopping experience and be able to share that with customers, and that's how you're going to acquire customer sales in shopping. We have auto ship programs both for unfranchised owners in the back office. We call this unfranchised auto ship, and we also have it for customers on shop.com, which we call customer auto ship. Internet marketing, you can use various campaigns online to attract customers, and one-to-one marketing is you working individually with people, talking to them. Shop.com is a great tool. It's an app that modifies your browser so that when you search for a item in a search engine, it will put an icon next to those items being sold by stores that are our partner stores. If you go directly to a store that's a partner, it actually brings up a box in the corner that will tell you the hot deals available there and whether you're logged in to get credit for that purchase or not, and provides a link to log in if you're not already logged in. In addition, if you're on Amazon or eBay, it will come up in the corner and tell you if you can get a better deal on your shop.com site. Social media is a great way to get the word out and to help to advertise for your products and services available. The shopping annuity helps to identify ways that you can save money and build your shopping annuity by shopping from yourself and transferring some of your buying so that you're funneling that money through your shop.com site, and it's just money that you're spending anyway. And of course, the shopping advisor helps you to identify things that you use on a regular basis in your home and your daily life that you could replace with our branded items. So let's talk a little bit more about the shopping annuity. We're not talking about spending extra money here. We're talking about money that you're already spending. Why not convert that money into earning? It begins by adjusting your shopping behaviors. You have to think about every dollar you spend. Could I buy this from myself? The shopping annuity begins with each UFO completing the shopping annuity assessment, which can be found at www.shoppingannuity.com. Create BV with some of our exclusive brands. Create IBV by using our partner stores on shop.com. Create duplication both in your organization so your business partners are doing the same thing, and with your customers so that they are using more of our products and using your shop.com site as well. And by doing this, you're going to create BV and IBV both within your organization and with your customers. The shop.com credit card program, we have the unfranchised owner business card, which is available in your unfranchised business account. You earn 1% BV on every purchase. This is BV, not IBV. You receive a 50 BV bonus upon spending $500 in the first 3 months. There is a 0% introductory APR for 6 months, then variable 16.99%, and there's absolutely no annual fee. BV from all of your shop.com credit card activity flows up and accrues in all qualified BDCs it passes through. You can apply for that card by going to My Account, My Services, and come down to the shop.com Business Edition MasterCard. The shop.com Platinum card is for customers. This is your consumer cashback card, so they earn extra cash back by using this credit card. As an unfranchised owner, you receive a 50 BV bonus when they spend $500 in the first 3 months using their card. Customers earn a $25 cashback bonus when they spend that $500 in the first 3 months. Customers also earn an additional 3% cash back on Market America branded products. That's normally there's a 2% cash back on Market America's branded items. With this additional 3%, that gives them a 5% total. Customers earn 1% cash back on all other purchases, and there's absolutely no annual fee. So why wouldn't you tell everyone you know about this? They can apply on shop.com. If you scroll to the bottom and go to services, you will find the shop.com platinum card there. You could also search for shop.com card up top, and you should be able to get to the same thing. You really need to be a product of the product. Go through your home and identify things that you could replace with our branded items. The home shopping list will help with this, as well as the shopping advisor. In addition to going through your home and replacing things like your supplements, your coffees, your personal care items, and the various things that you take, then you need to look through your home for some other things that you could buy through your site, like gift cards to get your gas, various electronics, and just your general toiletry items. You can get those through several of our partner stores. Our exclusive brands are a great way to generate more BV and dollars. We have better products, we have better prices, and your customers get cash back when they purchase these items from you. Start identifying which of the company's exclusive brands you could use instead of other brands to fund your shopping annuity. You can share individual pages from your shop.com site. First, make sure you're logged in as yourself up top. And then when you go to a product page, there are several share icons so you can share it directly with email, Facebook, Google+, Twitter, or Pinterest. And make sure you like the page while you're there. Let's talk about some good posts and some bad posts. This is not necessarily the best way to post on your Facebook or other social media. I just started my home-based business where I sell everything. OPC is amazing, and will help you with anything that hurts. Start shopping here to make me money. Shop.com/blank. So why would this be bad? First off, it's a lot of sales. People don't want to hear this kind of thing. Don't make any false or misleading claims. Less can be more. Do not post too frequently. Maintain a balance between both personal and business posts. People connect with you. They don't just want to be another customer. They want to be a real person, and if you're a real person, they can connect with that a lot better. So let's look at some better ways to do this. Jill and I just opened our business. If you shop online, let us know so that we can help show you how to save some money. That's very friendly, not pushy. It's just, hey, check this out. I'm so thankful for higher quality supplements. I haven't felt this good in years. Once again, you're not advertising anything directly that people are going to turn around and Google. You're going to get them to ask questions. I love helping people become independent so they can spend time with their families. Who doesn't want to read something like that and ask you questions about what you're doing? I just love my new makeup. I'm so glad I found custom blend foundations and a complete professional line that is affordable. Notice that we don't mention brands here. I don't want people going to Google and finding a different customer manager to buy their products because they don't realize you don't sell it, or that you do sell it rather. We want them to ask you what you're doing or what you found. Create curiosity, because that's going to lead people to ask questions and find out what you're posting about. Okay? Whenever you're using your shop.com site, you want to be sure you're signed in as yourself. For an unfranchised owner, this would be as your PPC account, your personal preferred customer. By signing in as your PPC, you will have a link within the drop down there by your name to go to unfranchised.com. You will also be able to see the amount of IBV you would get from various stores in addition to cash back. Just a normal customer, they're only going to see the cash back, but as a PPC, you will see the IBV amounts also. One of the best stores for ease of generating IBV and cash back is raise.com. You can search raise.com in the search bar up top. They give 2% cash back and currently 4% IBV. Now, of course, those numbers are subject to adjustment, so don't hold me to that if that gets out of date as soon as I publish this video. But Raise is a great store. It's a place that you can buy gift cards to other stores. So when you get to Raise, click Buy a Card, and you can search for various vendors, popular stores, places where you shop on a regular basis, and you actually buy those gift cards at a discount. So you save money buying the gift cards that you could then turn around and use if that's a partner store at shop.com, possibly, to buy things and save even more money and get cash back. If you look on the left of this screen, you see that you see that e-gifts can be redeemed online only. Vouchers can be printed and redeemed in the store, and supposedly some of those vouchers can also be redeemed online, but I'm not going to make any promises about that. And physical gift cards can be redeemed in the store, but they'll be mailed to you, so there is a wait time to get those back. And then in the column here beside Macy's, you see e-gifts. So these particular certificates are e-gifts, and you save up to 11.3% on your purchases from Macy's just because you bought a gift card valued at $513 for only $455. So you save money in addition to getting cash back and IBV for that purchase. Why wouldn't you? So let's take a look at some of the cash back functionality on shop.com. For instance, when you log into shop.com, you see at the top of the home page how much cash back you have available. If you click that cashback link right there, you see a breakdown of how much cash back you have. Some of it is pending, some of it's actually available. So it really does help you. Now, if you want to see more detail, you need to go a little bit further. So by clicking on your name up in the top right, you get the drop-down menu, and there at the bottom is that unfranchised.com link that I was talking about. But there's also the My Account link. So you click on My Account, and then you see the main screen we're looking at. One of the options here is Cashback Rewards. Click on Cashback Rewards, and you see a detailed breakdown of the different transactions that went into your cashback account. And you see on the right, some are awarded, some are pending, and you'll see some that they just weren't qualified for cashback for whatever reason. Tried to get this screen to show a lot of different things for you. On the left, you see the one with the red number that was returned. So obviously, I mean, this is a place to see why you do and don't have cash back for various things. If you want more information about creating volume, the Basic Vive training goes very in-depth into a lot of retailing aspects as well as various other aspects of the business, and is a great training to get a lot of your information and your questions answered. What we've done here in the new Franchise Owner training is just grazed a lot of the topics. The Basic Vive goes much more in depth. The general product training is going to go in detail about some of our branded products, and which products will be outlined in the promotion for the general product training, because they're not all going to talk about all of the products. There'll be specific products talked about at each of the general product trainings you attend. So you might need to attend several of them to actually get the full range of product trainings if you wanted to. Unfranchised.meeton.com has a lot of great information about products as well as how to market them as well as the business itself. Go check out unfranchised.meeton.com. There's a lot of great training information there. Unfranchisedtraining.com, the stores and products category, there's a lot of information you can download, PowerPoints, brochures, and other. The Product Symposium is where you attend to get all of the product information that you could possibly imagine. If you come out of that and you're a Speakers Bureau member, then you are a field product specialist that can teach the general product trainings. So the Product Symposium is taught by corporate and selected speakers and gives you all of the information you need about a broad spectrum of the products. And of course, at the International Convention and World Conference, we have product training as well. In specific, at those main events, we have product information and training about the new products, and we'll have breakouts about some of the new products as well as some of the main stores and whatnot as well in the evenings. So unfranchised cost and suggested retail price. They're two different numbers. The unfranchised cost is what we as unfranchised owners pay for products and services. Suggested retail price is what the company suggests you retail the products, goods, and services for. And the difference between those, of course, would be your retail margin, your gross retail margin. You are charged sales tax and a 2% admin fee based on suggested retail if the unfranchised owner does not have a sales tax ID on file with the company for the state that the products are being shipped to. To avoid having Market America charge sales tax on an order of our exclusive products, the paying unfranchised owner must have appropriate sales tax documentation on file with Market America for the state or territory to which the products are being shipped. If the sales tax ID is on file, then unfranchised owners are completely responsible for collecting, remitting, and reporting their own sales tax for that state. Market America sales tax agreement. This form must be sent to Market America along with a copy of your sales tax license certificate, and that form may be printed from the Unfranchised Business Account Downloads in the Administration category. Consult your tax accountant for further details or questions regarding sales tax as it pertains to your business. Record keeping. It's highly recommended that you keep good records primarily for tax purposes. Expenses, things that might be tax deductible, would be training and admission fees, administrative and shipping costs. Administrative would include UFMS and various other things. Advertising and promotional materials that you purchase for your business. Automobile expenses, mileage. Travel expenses such as airfare, lodging and meals. Entertainment of prospects and teammates. Business equipment like computers, printers, fax machines back in the day, etc. Office supplies like paper and ink. Professional fees like tax preparation, etc. And I'm not saying that you can deduct these, however, they are things that you may be able to deduct. Always consult your tax accountant if you have questions. Regarding income, it's a little bit different. Profit from retail sales of products, you are responsible for reporting to the IRS. Commissions and bonuses received from the Management Performance Compensation Plan, you will have a tax form 1099 that you can print from your back office, usually in January. It's found in your Unfranchised Business Account under My Account Online Forms. And it's Form 1099. And of course that only applies to U.S. unfranchised owners. If you are Canadian or Mexican, or if you have people in your organization in other countries, this obviously doesn't apply to them and their tax forms would be mailed to them. This concludes the new unfranchised owner training, Part 3.